最近レイチェルたちがハマってる朝ごはん屋さんが嘘カフェがあるらしいんで、そのカフェに行ってまず腹ごしらえして、でそれから女村に行って、もう名前忘れちゃった。なんかねアドベンチャーなんとかアスレチック系のなんかそういう施設があって、女村に。でそこで今日はアクティブな行動をすることになってます。今日の服装チェックしようか。I hold it, everything. Okay.
You got it. 9 meters. There you go. Wonderful. Now you can release him. Yeah, you got it.
I was gonna say, bro, if I can get this one off, we
could. I think so.
Here he goes. Here she comes. Natural born athlete right there. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Baby, happy goose. Yeah. A little nervous this morning, huh?
Yeah. I thought that was the noise Rachel's thing was making. I'm like, how is she going that fast?
Yeah.
Over.
You ready? Yeah.
He said it bounces.
Woo, woo, woo.
Oh shit!
Jurassic win. Try not to hit my GoPro.
Make sure lock everything. Okay. the goal is so far away. Okay. I'll try. Okay. Woohoo! Oh no.
How are you feeling?
I think I was die.
Feel it vibrating.
Oh yeah,
You
she's
can
coming.
hear it. Oh, she's got it.
Better than me. Same as me.
You guys are funny.
I rinse off before I came, but I'm not gonna rinse off again. Alright, I'm going.
Thank you.
Drive seat. Okay, I didn't know if this is like one enclosed thing, like adventure course.
I
or
think
if
you
it's
have like, I think it's
you
like
do
a.
this and it take you to a zip line down the
No,
road.
no, no.
and-
There we go.
Ow! Hit
It hurt
again.
my booty watching that.
That's so funny. All right, good job. You did great. Yeah, because this, like, right?
Okay.
Throw your arm like that.
Hmm.
Lynn's doing it.
Yes.
Lynn says, yeah.
Yeah. Lynn's gonna try it.
Mhm.
Try it.
She said,
Baby, you've done all this built up to this moment.
Also, don't you do like worse things in the Marine Corps?
Yeah, literally.
I'm kind of scared.
I know.
Is it going?
Yeah.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
One. Ow!
Oh, I'm going back all the way. Okay. And we're good.
Good job. Yay! Got it. Yay!
2, 1. Wonderful. You did great. Nice.
Funny.
You did so good.
Yeah.
Lynn and I just hanging out. You got it. I did. Okay, the zip line is in.
The finale.
Lynn's so cute.
Me. Such a bitch. Take it like a man.
Oh.
Woo! Yeah,
Run it out!
Oh, I made it.
Thank you so much.
Oh, come inside.
It's not? Okay. Free.
Free! You're free!
Okay.
お疲れ様です。お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様です。
Thank you. Thank you.
すごいね。
Hey.
Okay, let's take a little.
Exhausted.
Yeah. Oh, we could maybe right here?
Oh, Leo.
I was dying.
This one.
How many times should I die?
You get a screenshot.
All right.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Come by.
I miss. They don't have it.
Pie. That's so good.
Chicken burrito. Woohoo.
That smells really good.
Oh, am I cooking? Are you gonna want any of that?
You only got one.
Hi. So I just got home right now. Well, it was so fun. I loved it. What? What happened? What? Okay.